Here's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, premium front heated and ventilated bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, voice activation, dual-zone climate control, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. The Car Connection finds across the line build quality is tight, materials selection is mostly excellent, and quietness is a strength. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,